The question has never been if we care. The real question has always been, what are we doing about it? To protect the most fragile environment on Earth. To preserve it. To respond effectively in case of an emergency. A group of scientists from the United States Coast Guard, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, and water mapping joined forces with the Canadian Coast Guard on board the icebreaker Sir Wilfrid Laurier in the summer of 2022 for an expedition to the Arctic. Our mission was, how can we better use remote sensing technology and UAS, or so-called drones, to be better prepared to detect and respond in the case of an oil spill in the Arctic. With remote sensing technology like multispectral, lidar, and thermal imaging sensors, coupled with the implementation of rapid image processing algorithms, we can now use drones to obtain data from multiple sensors simultaneously to detect spills or marine life in real time. Aerial imagery and classification maps with the identification of potential targets are then processed on board the vessel after the drones have performed surveillance missions. This data is then processed and delivered in near real time to incident commands through NOAA's Environmental Response Management application. With some of the most extreme weather conditions on Earth, the Arctic presents new challenges for drones and remote sensing technology to overcome. The equipment must be able to perform under freezing conditions, limited visibility, and extreme wind, rain, snow, or blizzards. This is why drones are so important for these types of response operations. They can access much lower altitudes when weather conditions would not be suitable for flying manned aircraft safely. Drones are also useful when cloudy or dense fog conditions exist that would impede imaging of the ocean surface from spacecraft or satellites. With these limitations in mind, we are now exploiting UAS and remote sensing technology to the maximum to help us better respond to possible future incidents. Integrating real-time data broadcasting and near real-time mapping and reporting with UAS technology has expedited our ability to respond. Although there is much more to be done, this is where we are now. Looking after our home. The majesty and the wonder. Together we can face challenges as deep as the ocean or as high as the sky. We feel what we are doing is just a drop in the ocean, but every drop counts.